And the other thing is that the C# code for extracting data out of Excel sheets now runs also as part of robust server. So we can now upload Excel files directly to the server instead of the extracted RDF data. So one way to use that is with a curl command like this. This is more interesting for Bob and me, like a really fast way to rerun jobs. You just have to pick out the right URL here. It's the view URL. And the other way to make use of that is through the OneDrive Explorer. The OneDrive Explorer is a simple JS web page provided by, the code is provided by Microsoft for with use with the OneDrive API. So I modified it just a little bit. You should be able to log in. I already did that, so it lets me straight in. And you can browse your documents here. And when you go to an XLSX file, you should be able to click this button and you get this cryptic response again. You pick out the view URL. And here you go.